I took it to go get a scrub a dub.
Here we go, Blue Beacon Car Wash number 2.
The sunrise up, we watch the sun go down on the open road. It's so inviting.
So here we are, getting that second Blue Beacon wash done, and just so you know, you actually have to ask for acid now. So if you have an RV, they're not going to do it, but you have a couple options. So we do the pressure wash, and then they come in and brush it down to make it look good, and then I think it's $2 a tire. They actually do the tire shine too, so we're getting it spiffied up. All right, look, it's dripping water. It's all nice and clean. Whoa, what is that, Caitlin? That's pretty cool. I've never seen one of those.
It's our tire shine.
Tire shine with a gun?
Yeah, paint gun, basically.
Oh, I gotta get me one of those.
That's pretty awesome. That's pretty cool, man.
You say you're on YouTube? Or?
Yeah, on YouTube.
Sweet. Me and my buddies used to do that for video games. And there's a Markiplier fella. He's just now started making movies and stuff. These are already pretty dry, so.
Welcome to sunlight.
That's pretty nice.
Uh-oh, she broke it already. I think it's the inverted stuff that gets it.
You're all set.
All right, Miss Caitlin, so where are we at?
You're at Blue Beacon in Whiteland, Indiana.
And what do you do for these guys? You just took my money.
I'm a supervisor here.
So how long you been here?
I've been here about a year and a half now.
And you really like it?
Some days.
Some days
are better than others.
Every job has a great day and a bad day.
For sure, it's exhausting, but you know, you gotta get up, work for a living, so.
What? You got to work for a living? There's a whole lot of bunch of people out here nowadays that don't think you have to do that. They just want to live in mom's basement.
Yeah, unfortunately, that's not how it works, guys.
Yeah, we love it. So Caitlin, thank you and the crew. We really appreciate it. Who was all the guys in the bay? Do you know them?
Yeah, for sure. I work with them every day. We got a good group of people in there, so they definitely make the day more entertaining and fun.
Entertaining is always good,
yeah.
Right? So as with everything, prices have gone up a little bit, but we've got a little extra detail done. We had the tires done on the truck and the trailer, which you saw Caitlin using the really cool, looked like a paint gun. And we had it washed, underbelly washed. When we drive in, it sprays water underneath. cleans the underbelly, and then we had it sprayed and we had it brushed down afterwards. So we're in Whiteland, Indiana. So if you need to get your rig washed, this is one of the places to do it. And I'm telling you, even at $100 it cost this time versus the $68 last time, I still can't wash the rig for that. And they did it, I want to say it probably took them 20 minutes. So definitely a way to do it to keep your rig clean. All right, YouTube, fellow adventurers, we'll see you out there.
We got the top down, cruising at 65. The engine's rolling, it's good to be alive. Out on the